My name is Alex, and today we'll be going over how to order your course books through NEC's online service, MyNEC. First, you'll head to mynec.nec.edu, then you'll log in here with your user ID and PIN. If you need help with this, contact helpdesk@nec.edu for assistance. Next, go to Student Services and Financial Aid, and then Bookstore. Clicking this link will bring you to an external web page in a new tab. It'll take a few seconds to load, but you can also click this link if it takes too long to open. It will automatically show you the required text for your current courses under the My Course Materials heading. Next to that, you'll find various buying and renting options for each text, as well as if the text can be sold back at the end of the term, if it qualifies for free shipping, and the marketplace options down below. Marketplace options are not fulfilled by the bookstore, but can offer a great way to find your texts at a lesser cost as opposed to buying new. If your professors have not yet uploaded required books, it will show up blank like this. In order to have your texts in time for classes, it's always a good idea to email your professors over the summer to confirm the required materials. For art students, this also applies. Your professor may not elect to use Blackboard on the bookstore for art supply lists, and you will likely receive an email during the summer with this information. If you are unsure, reach out to your professors for the confirmation, especially for courses in traditional media or that require specific materials in order to complete them successfully. That's all for now, and I'll see you on campus.